In crisis situations, it is extremely important that the warning is not only heard, but also understood. That is exactly what you get with HSS Solutions. A comprehensive system where you can hear what is being said. Our hardware and systems stand up under extreme weather conditions. From the harsh and ice-cold landscape in Greenland to Saudi Arabia. That's why it's not just something that we say, that our siren systems work under all climate conditions. It's something we know. When you experience HSS Solutions Control and Communication Center, you experience at the same time why it is the market's strongest solution. Your message gets heard, received, and understood. It is a fully scalable platform that can be integrated into your existing system. You won't encounter any language barriers, and the user interface can be adapted with easily recognizable icons and colors. You get full control over your siren facilities, but with HSS Solutions, you also get the option of connecting other essential operations to your control and communication center. We assemble and install your entire siren system. And relax, we won't go anywhere until it works. With HSS Solutions, you're well prepared to handle all conceivable and inconceivable crisis solutions optimally. Would you like to know more? Then please feel free to contact us, or you can try asking some of our customers why they have chosen the market's strongest solution.